Ele estava indo embora. Leif.
Leif is my handle. I live in a locator Julius Oscar 79 Mike David. Julius Oscar 79.
Tá passando o grid dele. O nome dele é Leif.
And I also have one watt out to the positive feed.
Ele também tá com um watt.
1.3
Mas a antena dele é 1,30 m lá.
1.3 meter.
Olá.
Back to you there. If I can have your name and locator, and you will give report in next over there. Sugar Mexico 4, Hotel November Golf listening.
Roger, Roger. Sugar Mike 4, Hotel November Golf, Leaf, Papa Yankee 1 Alpha X-Ray. Papa Yankee 1 America X-Ray. Okay, Leaf. My name is Tony. Tango Oscar November Yankee. Tony is my name. I copy you very strong. 5-9 plus. Okay, 5-9 plus your report here. No problem to listen, you live. And I got your grid locator. Juliet Oscar 74 Mike Delta. Very good copy, no problem. My grid located, I send it to you, is Golf 87 Quebec Bravo. Golf 87 Quebec Bravo. Okay, my friend Leaf. And Tony is my name. My antenna is 80 centimeters antenna. I'm using helix, 3 rings and a half. And DX Plateau is my upper converter. I'm going 70 centimeters. Okay, on FT 991 radio. And the microphone is Mike Delta 100. Okay, Leif, I don't want to take your time. I heard you going to talking to your family. Okay, propagation open to the kitchen is very good. It's a big pleasure talking to you. Many thanks for the contact. The weather today here is sunny day and the temperature around 35 degrees Celsius. Very hot and no windy. I copy you speak to friend in Spain. Is a speedy windy. I saw Lima Yankee 4 Alpha station and Lima Yankee 4 Alpha station. They broke many antennas there. They are big gun stations for a contest, and they broke a lot of big antennas there for 40 meters band, 80 meters band Yagis going to the ground. Okay, Lima Yankee 4 Alpha. Okay, my friend, is very bad to hear about that. Anyway, many thanks, Leaf, for the nice quickly QSO. Enjoy the satellite. You will come, and I hope to contact you again. And I will upload to logbook of the world the contact. Sugar Mike 4, Hotel November Golf, from Papa Yankee 1, America X-Ray. Have a good Happy New Year, okay? Bye-bye, TDO.
Ali legal. Papa Yankee 1, America X-Ray, Sugar Mexico 4, Hotel November Golf, back for a final. Okay, Tony, my report is 57258, 57258. That's my report. And okay, about your equipment there, doing a good work. I think we can hear each other. I will be active on the winter, at least 2 months more, so we can hear each other. So best same to see to you and your family. Thanks for calling me. 73 from Sweden, and I logged this QSO on QRZ.com. So 73 Papa Yankee 1, Alpha X-ray 73 from Sugar Mexico 4, Hotel November Golf. Bye-bye.
Okay, Leaf. Many thanks for the QSO. Happy New Year. Greetings from Brazil. Bye-bye. Ciao, ciao for now.
Ciao, ciao.
Pronto, terminou com...
Hello, Tony.
Aí.
This is Delta 1 Uniform Sierra.
Okay, Delta 1 Uniform Sierra. Hello, how are you doing? Long time no see ya. Okay, very good here, very hot in Rio, huh? 35 degrees Celsius here. Okay, and no windy. I'm already spoke with Charlie. Okay, and I spoke with Felix as well in Antarctica. The Neumeier, get another antenna there, very, very good. Okay, how's going? Tell me the news. Delta 1 Uniform Sugar, Papa Yankee 1 America X-ray.
Papa Yankee 1 America X-ray. Delta 1 Uniform Sierra. Yeah, everything okay, Tony. Yeah, I'm glad that the antenna arrived down there. It was sitting in my storage for some time, so I decided to give it for a good purpose and to prepare it. And finally it arrived there. Yeah, all okay on our side. We're all healthy, all 3 times vaccinated and hoping for better times. Still, infection rates in Germany are pretty high, but fewer people are dying because of COVID-19. I hope everything is okay on your side, Tony. I need to make it short because I'm due to dial into a conference call, but I wanted to say hello and wish you and yours a happy new year. Papa Yankee 1 Alpha X-ray, Delta 1 Uniform Sierra.
Okay, Delta 1 Uniform Sugar, Papa Yankee 1 America X-ray. Yeah, I'm sorry to hear about that. It's very, very bad. My wife just called me. She went to the airmail to send me a box. A friend of mine, he wants a CWK, so I have one spare. I send it to him in a box, and my wife just going to the mail. Was closing for 8 days. Now they open, but the government here in my town, they offer a free test on the place. On the square, okay, on the square they offer free testing, and they testing a lot of people have a flu. Is a different flu, okay? It's different COVID-19. Is a different one. You don't need to go into CTI, but you have to go into the hospital, take some medicine, some drugs, and all will be okay. Some people getting better and some people getting very, very down. So my wife is just checking. A lot of people have, and they going to the stories, they going to a lot of places, and she phoned me. I say, okay, close and coming home, don't do anything. She wants to go to the marketing to buy some stuff. I say, no, don't do anything, just coming home and get your gel alcohol 70% and coming home. She got 2 masks. And she said that a lot of people there testing positive, and they still going to the stories, and likely nothing happened. So very bad to her about that, you know. The city is small, and the people can be better safe, you know, better control, but it's maybe loss of control. Many thanks for the QSO. Thank you for coming, for show up, and big pleasure to you, and have a nice meeting there. Delta 1, United Sierra, from Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. All the best, 73, Happy New Year.
Okay, Tony, same for you and your family. Best regards. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I'm looking forward to talk to you next time. Bye-bye, Tony.
Okay, bye-bye, 73. Hello, CQ DX, CQ Satellite, hello, CQ. CQ Delta X-ray, CQ Satellite, CQ Kilo 100. Hello, Satellite Kilo 100, is Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. Peter, Yokohama, number 1, America X-ray, calling CQ. Hello, CQDX, hello, CQ. from Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray, South America, Brazil, Kilo 100, calling satellite and standing by. Ninguém veio.